Living alone can be so boring sometimes. Living alone also gives us a lot of sense of freedom. We need quiet time to examine ourselves, our lives openly and honestly. Spending quiet time alone gives your mind an opportunity to renew itself and create order. Life is full of joy